When we eat a well-balanced, nutritious meal, we feel good about the benefits this brings to our bodies. Also, it's a lot cheaper to eat at home versus going out, and there's less impact on the environment. Same thing with our vehicles. The better quality oil we give it, the better engine performance, more money in our wallets, and also better impact on the environment. My name is Maria Rocha, and I will share with you the advantages of using synthetic motor oil versus conventional oil for your vehicle. The term synthetic applies to a variety of oil formulations. You will never want to trust your engine to conventional motor oils ever again. Using synthetic motor oil provides an overall positive effect on your engine. Synthetics flow better in cold weather, which makes startup easier and offers better protection. Synthetics resist viscosity. Viscosity changes at extremely high temperatures, which is important during cold startups, thus lubricating the engine parts quicker. Viscosity is how thin or how thick your oil is. Along with friction reduction, engine parts wear is minimized using synthetic oils, avoiding permanent damage to the engine. Compared to conventional oil, synthetic oils rarely cause harmful engine deposits. Oil changes using synthetic oil is more expensive, but you spend less money in the long run. Synthetics allow for smoother and cooler engine operation, which means more horsepower. Using synthetic motor oil offers better gas mileage. Synthetic oil costs twice as much than conventional motor oil. However, the increase in cost is offset by the longer intervals between oil changes. According to the Office of Environmental Health Hazard Assessment, it is estimated that fuel savings outweigh the high lubricant costs. According to a report, Toyota suggests using synthetic motor oil for the majority of newer vehicles in order to protect the motor. Otherwise, if something happens to the motor, you will incur the costs. Using synthetic motor oil versus conventional oil has positive environmental and human health impact. Today's lubricants provide the consumer with convenience and also extended oil changes, thus reducing the amount of waste generated. Using synthetic motor oil minimizes wear by efficiently lubricating, which prolongs the useful life of the engine, thereby minimizing the consumption of non-renewable resources, such as fossil fuels, which are fuels formed by natural process, required for the natural manufacture and disposal of the machine itself. Synthetic oils reduce exhaust emissions. They yield to lower pollutant emissions. Standardized biodegradability tests, such as those prescribed by the Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development and the Coordinating European Council, show that synthetic lubricants are degraded more rapidly in soil systems and water systems than conventional motor oil. In conclusion, synthetic motor oil provides better engine protection because it flows much quicker with cold startup. It also withstands heat better than conventional oil. Although it could be twice as expensive as conventional oil, you can go longer in between oil changes, as much as twice or 3 times as long, thus saving you lots of cash in your pocket in the long run. By using synthetic motor oil, you're helping out the environment because you're reducing oil consumption as well as reducing the amount of waste generated. Also, using synthetic motor oil provides better fuel economy and lower emissions. You strive for better health and proper nutrition. Why not do the same for your car?